Let's call the case People versus Adrian Braswell.
That's it. Assistant Prosecuting Attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trustee Stope appearing on behalf and with Adrian Braswell. Mr. Braswell, would you unmute and state your name for the record?
Adrian Braswell.
You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're looking for an adjournment.
Yeah, there's an explanation for that. We're asking for another adjournment, Your Honor. Ask if the court would agree to set it to January 15th.
You and Simon.
What's that?
You and Simon picking your.
I know.
No,
I'm
go
just-
ahead.
I'm
Go
just
ahead.
throwing out.
Okay.
I'm trying to be helpful.
Yeah.
Not obstructing. Mr. Childers and I were working on a final resolution. Obviously, he's not here today, so that's the whole point.
Okay.
No fault of Mr. Overton.
Of who? Yes, no, it's his fault. So he took the blame for Simon's, but not yours.
I'm not taking.
Never mind. I don't know.
I didn't hear the name that he said, so I think I dodged one.
January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Jason Smith.
Represent on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Christina Saxon for Jason Smith.
Your name, sir?
Jason Smith, Your Honor.
He's waiving.
He is,
Sir, you're waiving your right to have a preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, Your Honor.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on both counts.
thank you.
No, you still have more to do. You waive formal reading of the information.
Us,
It's okay.
we waive formal readings, stand mute on the charge.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute to both counts. Court will enter not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for January 12th, 2026, 1:30. Judge Hamud.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes. Court calls case People versus Ian Nessel. Nielsen.
Hello, I'm Ian Nielsen.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Edward Drucas on behalf of Ian Nielsen.
You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference, January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, John.
Court does call the case People versus Christopher Thaxton.
Ready, Your Honor. Water Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. James Fifelski appearing on behalf of Mr. Thaxton, who is on his way out, I'm sure.
And
I mean, honestly, we're not. Because they're so behind again, not updating because it's just.
so
It's-
wait, you got it.
Name.
Christopher, thanks.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for one more adjournment for discovery, some outstanding records we're both trying to get our hands on.
That's correct, Your Honor. I've turned over a report that I received today from the OIC. There are medical records defense is asking for that we don't have. I don't know that I'll be able to get those, but we can at least get into it. If I have a release from the victim in the case, the victims.
Are you going to be able to resolve that by the 8th, the medical records, or
I can hear you. I'm sorry.
are you going to be able to resolve that by the 8th if they're medical records?
I think we'll be able to know whether or not we're going to be able to get them by then. At this point, I don't believe that we are, but
Is this the only case holding him?
Yes.
Is this the only thing holding you, sir?
Yes, sir.
January 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Denise South.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ryan Rams there on behalf of myself, and stands to my right, myself, identify yourself for the record, please.
Denise Hill. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, should be a note in the file, but if not, we're seeking an adjournment of the PCC in an effort to speak to Mr. Childers about this matter. We've just received some discovery and want to present to him that information so we can hopefully resolve this matter.
January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a happy new year.
And to you. Court does call the cases of the people versus Kawandike Thomas.
That's with people in all four matters.
Well, good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Ms. Thomas, covering for.
I am, Your
Okay,
Honor. Thank you so much. Stephanie Cannon on the remaining matters.
all right. And what are we doing?
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment of this matter. As this court is aware, my client was given permission by this court to go to treatment, which we believe is basically the crux of her issue. However, she's not been released yet. I believe that's because she has a new matter and the order needs to go in that case so that she can be released.
He has a new matter.
A new old matter, yes. So it was something prior to her coming in, but we'll get an order put in that case, and I do believe she'll be able to be released to treatment.
Ma'am, state your name. I don't think you did.
Ronald Quay, Cynthia Rose Thomas.
Thank you. So the new matter, who was that before?
Is it 15th?
It's in the 15th District Court, Your Honor.
Okay, so you just have to get an order over. Okay,
So we'll do it right away.
all right. But she's either gonna be released or something's gonna happen, but I'll.
You know.
Let's do January 22nd, 2026, 9 a.m. If she's released to treatment, we can move it. All right. Thank you. 22nd.
Right, sorry, thank you so much.
Court calls the case, People versus Jeremy Shue.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Sachs for Mr. Shue. Mr. Shue, could I ask you to introduce yourself to Judge Simpson?
Here. Pardon?
I'm here, Jeremy Shue. I gotta figure out the button.
Okay, hold on. Say your name again, so it'll light up for me.
Okay, hang on. Jeremy Shue.
All right, we'll lay the camera on you, Mr. Shue.
I'm getting there.
Yeah, I recognize your voice. I know it's you. All right. That's not a good thing if I recognize your voice, but okay. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a request for an adjournment. This is an unusual situation. Mr. Shue has an active interlocutory appeal in the Michigan Court of Appeals on a suppression matter in a companion case that will also dictate this case. And once that is resolved, I think we'll be able to get a resolution here, but we're asking for an adjournment for that resolution.
So there's another case he has an appeal on, and they're hearing the appeal, or?
It's on an application for leave, so we don't know if they're
They
going
haven't
to be
decided.
hearing it.
They haven't decided as of yet.
And I have some familiarity with this. I believe that other case originates out of Judge Washington's 14B cases. I think it's a misdemeanor matter. Is that correct, Mr. Sachs?
That is correct. It's the same series of alleged incidents from the same date. So that suppression matter would control this case as well, depending on what happens.
The people have no objection to adjourning this for that matter. I will let this court know, though, that I believe the circuit court's already denied the appeal once. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with the Court of Appeals.
So it came out of district court, circuit court denied, application for leave is pending before the court.
As best as I can recall from one conversation I had with APA Woods, yes, that is correct.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, well, why don't do this, give an opportunity to decide. Why don't I adjourn this to January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will-
2026. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good holiday.
You do the same, sir. Court calls the case, People versus Alan Rogers.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Now things heat up. The defense claims the tenant edited his videos and left out crucial moments. Whenever you hear words like carefully edited in court, you know credibility is about to be the battleground.
Behind the scenes, detectives were piecing together a timeline so tight that even the smallest inconsistency could expose everything. And this moment, it was the first real slip